Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add how you're feeling in a status update on Facebook on Android. Facebook is a great way to share your thoughts and feelings with your friends and family, and adding how you're feeling to your status update can help you express yourself even more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding how you're feeling to a status update on your Android device. Step 1. Tap What's on your mind on your feed or timeline. This will open the status update box. Step 2. Tap Feeling Activity. This will open a menu of options. Step 3. Tap Feeling. This will open a drop-down menu of feelings. Step 4. Choose how you're feeling from the drop-down menu, or start writing a word to find the feeling. If it isn't listed, you can fill in your own and tap it when it appears in the drop-down menu. Step 5. You can write something in your post, then press Post to share your status on your timeline. Adding how you're feeling to a status update on Facebook on Android is a simple process that can help you express yourself even more. Remember that you can choose from a variety of feelings or create your own if it isn't listed. You can also write something in your post to give more context to how you're feeling. In conclusion, adding how you're feeling to a status update on Facebook on Android is a great way to express yourself and share your thoughts with your friends and family. If you have any questions or concerns about adding how you're feeling to a status update, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.